Hi friends, good evening. This is Dr. Harinath Reddy, Director Shankarana Study Circle. Today in this particular video, we will discuss about the infrastructure sector in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So we will try to discuss infrastructure in the state of Andhra Pradesh in two dimensions. The first dimension will be what are the infrastructural facilities which are available in the state of Andhra Pradesh for attracting industrial investment into the state of Andhra Pradesh, and then what are the key initiatives taken by the present government led by Jagan Mohan Reddy for expanding and improving the infrastructure in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So let us discuss the first dimension of the topic. What are the infrastructural facilities available in the state of Andhra Pradesh for attracting industrial investment? Why the investors must come and invest in AP? What are the special advantages which Andhra Pradesh had? See, if you see, the biggest advantage for Andhra Pradesh is long coastline. Andhra Pradesh had the second largest coastline within the country with 6 operational ports. See, for promoting international trade, to facilitate exports and imports, coastal location with operational ports will greatly help in expanding the industrial base in the state of Andhra Pradesh. In addition, the two major South Indian rivers flowing in the state of Andhra Pradesh, Krishna and Godavari, apart from other rivers, will provide abundant supply of water as well as power for the industrial sector in the state of Andhra Pradesh. In addition to this, Andhra Pradesh has got a very good road network of 1,32,415 kilometers. This 1,32,415 kilometers includes national highways, state highways, district and rural roads. Let us see the major national highways passing through the state of Andhra Pradesh. One major national highway which is passing through the state of Andhra Pradesh providing better connectivity is NH16, National Highway 16. And fortunately this national highway, it passes through all the 9 coastal districts in the state of Andhra Pradesh. If you take this National Highway 16 in brief, it runs along the east coast of India, passing through the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Earlier it was known by the name National Highway 5. Now it is being renamed as National Highway 16. So the northern terminal, it starts at Kharagpur near Calcutta, and the southern terminal is at Chennai in Tamil Nadu. In other words, NH16, it is from almost Kolkata to Chennai, and it passes through the state of Andhra Pradesh, all the 9 coastal districts. That is National Highway 16. So it passes through the state of Andhra Pradesh, and its length in the state of Andhra Pradesh is 1024 kilometers. So providing a very good connectivity in the coastal areas. And then we have one more important national highway which passes through the state of Andhra Pradesh, NH 565, National Highway 565. And what is this National Highway 565? It is a national highway in India. It starts at Nakarekal of Telangana and ends at Renugunta of Andhra Pradesh. So here, if you see the length of this national highway, NH 565, in the state of Telangana, this national highway, it is for a length of 86 kilometers. In the state of Andhra Pradesh, it runs for 420 kilometers. And then this National Highway 565, it starts at the junction of National Highway 65 at Nakarekal and passes through Nalgonda on the Nagarjuna Sagar road until Telangana border, and then it passes through Macharla, Erragondapalem, Markapur, Kanigiri and Venkatagiri before terminating at Erpedu at National Highway 71 in Andhra Pradesh. So one is NH16, the second one is NH 565, National Highway 565. And then the third one, National Highway 67. This National Highway 67, it starts in the state of Karnataka and ends in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So this National Highway 67, it starts at Ramnagar at Belgaum Panjim Road of Karnataka and ends at Krishnapatnam Port Road in Andhra Pradesh. So this National Highway 67, 4-laning, it was already done between Jamalmaduga and Maidukur, and between Badvel and Nellore, 4-laning of this highway is going on, and it passes through the cities. NH 67, which starts from Karnataka and ends at Krishnapatnam Port in Andhra Pradesh, it passes through the following cities of Dharwad, Hubbali, Gadag, Koppal, Hospet, Ballari in Karnataka, and then from Karnataka it enters into Andhra Pradesh and passes through Guntakal, Gutti, Jamalmadugu, Produttur, Maidukur, Badvel, Marripadu, Nellore, Krishnapatnam Road of Andhra Pradesh. So in the state of Karnataka, it has a length of 374 kilometers, and in the state of Andhra Pradesh, it is 395 kilometers. So 3 major national highways passing through the state of Andhra Pradesh. One is NH 16, National Highway 16, and then National Highway 565, 16, 565 and 67. And then in addition to this, Andhra Pradesh, as I told you earlier, has a long coastline of about 974 kilometers with several operational ports at Vishakhapatnam, Krishnapatnam, Gangavaram, Kakinada and Ravva. So through these ports, Andhra Pradesh industrial exports and can be connected to Southeast Asia, South Asia and even East Asia. And even Andhra Pradesh had a total rail network of 3,703 kilometers. So this rail network will provide excellent connectivity to all the major metros in India. And currently there are 6 operational airports in Andhra Pradesh that connect to major cities, facilitating business activity. And one more international airport at Bhogapuram near Vishakhapatnam is under development. And some more greenfield airports are proposed to be developed. And if you see, Andhra Pradesh is a power surplus state. The total installed capacity of power in the state of Andhra Pradesh is 24,800 megawatt as on January 2020. And the state is committed to providing robust 24/7 power to all the industrial and manufacturing units. And as I told earlier, even Andhra Pradesh has got a rich water resources potential, both surface and groundwater, to the extent of 108 BCM, billion cubic meters. And out of this, the government plans to reserve 10% of water, both surface and groundwater, for industrial use, both for the existing units and for the upcoming projects. So that's it about the first dimension of the question, the existing infrastructural facilities which can attract industrial investment into the state of Andhra Pradesh. Then, after the present government came to power, some more initiatives were taken to promote the infrastructure sector. Out of these, the major initiatives taken were construction of 3 seaports. We will discuss that in detail later on. And 8 fishing harbors. And again, one more very important development is Kopparthi. Kopparthi is one of the places in Kadapa district. Kopparthi industrial cluster in Kadapa district. It was being taken up in an area of around 7,000 acres. And then Bhogapuram airport is one thing which we have already discussed. And then laying a beach road from Bhogapuram airport to Vishakhapatnam. And also to meet the drinking water and industrial water needs of Vizag, a drinking water pipeline to the port city from Polavaram and will be taken up. From Polavaram to Vishakhapatnam, a drinking water pipeline will be constructed. And even Vizag Metro Railway is one of the top priorities for the present government on the infrastructure front. And as I told you, 3 ports are being constructed. One is Bhavanapadu, Machilipatnam, Ramayapatnam. So Bhavanapadu, it is in Srikakulam district, Machilipatnam in Krishna district. Then in addition to this, the present Chief Minister also wanted the possibility of building a port at Rambili in Vishakhapatnam. so to be explored to reduce the pressure on the Visakhapatnam port. And then the present Chief Minister also laid emphasis on providing cargo facilities at Tirupati, Nellore and Kadapa airports. And in addition to this, in all the upcoming industrial corridors, industrial parks and estates, he insisted on sewage treatment plans to check pollution. And as I told you right now, that there are 3 ports which the Andhra Pradesh cabinet decided to develop. One is Bhavanapadu, Srikakulam district, Machilipatnam, Krishna district and Ramayapatnam, Prakasham district. So initially, Jaganmohan Reddy wanted, he met the Prime Minister and wanted the funding from the central government for Ramayapatnam port, but later on the state cabinet took a decision to construct it with its own budget. And then initially this Bhavanapadu port development was assigned to Adani Ports and Sedge Limited in January 2018 by the then Chandrababu Naidu government. But the Adani Ports and Sedge Limited recently wrote a letter to Vice Jaganmohan Reddy government stating that it was withdrawing from the project for various reasons. Then again, the development of Machilipatnam port was given to Navayuga by the earlier government, and it didn't make any progress for the last more than 1 decade. So that's why this was cancelled. And then the previous TDP government proposed to develop a major port at Ramayapatnam after the proposal to build a port at Dugarajapatnam in Nellore district did not materialize. So Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014 had a provision which says that the central government should consider the feasibility of setting up of a port at Dugarajapatnam in Nellore district. But later on, the project was found unviable because of its proximity to the Krishnapatnam port, and that's why it was given up, and in the place of Dugarajapatnam, construction of Ramayapatnam was taken up by the present government. That's it about the infrastructural development in the recent past under the present government of YSRCP headed by Jaganmohan Reddy. Thank you.